Yo, VP was saying Moses Lee on the beat, and today I've got a new tutorial for you. So, back in 2020, I dropped this sample pack called the Preacher sample pack. Okay, so the Preacher sample pack, the Preacher ST, yeah. So I have this. I developed a few samples. Today I want to try and make a beat of this first sample right here called Aftermath. So already I did made the beat, but I want to take you one-on-one process on how I made the beat. So let us listen to the sample first, and then I can show you the drum patterns and everything else. So let's go. Okay, that is the first part of the melody. Then we have the second part. And then you have this another section right here. Okay, so let us go to the first pattern of the drums, and it is actually a very simple pattern because you only have one, two, three things. So the first is the 808, goes like this. And then the second we have the hi-hats. Okay, so and then the last thing we have is the snare. That's it for the first pattern. Let us go to the second pattern, pattern number two. So the 808 is still the same. The only difference we have in this pattern is the kick. I added the kick to this pattern. Okay, let us go to the third pattern. The main difference in the third pattern is the 808 is different from the rest of the patterns. I used a short 808. It goes like this. Let me solo this one so that you can clearly hear. Okay, so together with all the drums in this pattern 3. Okay, I think that's it with all the drums. So let us listen to the whole beat. After I did the arrangement, the beat goes like this.
YBM.
whole beat, man. I'm not going to play the rest of it. I want the video to be short. So